lesson. Let's slow down the animation. The request animation frame method tells the browser to run the move function, usually 60 times per second. It's too fast, so we must slow it down a little bit. To do that, let's create an if statement that controls the frame rate of the animation. First, let's create a variable with the name frame count. This variable will track the frames. Give it the value of 0. Now, inside the function, we will write the if statement that reduces frame rate. Inside the parenthesis, check if the variable frame count is greater than the value of 30. Open curly brackets. Delete the close bracket, and place it as shown. So, now the draw methods are inside the if statement. Now, let's increase by 1, the variable frame count, in every the function is called. Use the increment operator that we have learned in previous lesson. Cut and paste the variable, as shown. Last, give the variable frame count the value of 0, as shown. Let's explain what we have done. Every time the request animation frame calls the function, 1 is added to the variable frame count. Then the if statement checks to see if the variable frame count has the value of 30. If it doesn't, goes to the other if statement. Now it checks to see if the variable current move is higher than 2. It is not. Remember that the variable starts with the value of 0. Inside the first statement, we increase the variable by 1. But the code inside the statement does not execute until it reaches the value of 31. The request animation calls again the function. This goes on until the variable frame count reaches the value of 31. This way, until JavaScript counts up to 31, delays the drawing methods inside the statement. If the code executed inside the statement, frame count gets the value of 0. To start the count again. Then, the rest of the code executed. The variable current move reaches the value of 3. Current move is now larger than 2. The code inside the if statement executed and the variable returned to value 0. That means that our character changes to the first image. Let's see what we have done. Great! We have slowed down the motion of our character. We can change the value inside the statement to increase or decrease the speed of the animation. "25 is good." Sure, there are better ways to animate our character, but in section 1, we try to make the lesson simple, so you can learn some basic things about JavaScript. In the next section we will learn the way of the modern JavaScript, and we will rewrite our code to run faster. Oh, and we will make our player to walk.